All right, so first thing we have to do on this one is distribute. Yep. So I get 4x plus 12 is greater than negative 24. I need to calibrate real quick. All right, so then what do we do? Subtract 12. So 4x is greater than negative 36. Then what do we do? Divide by 4. So x is greater than negative 9. Good. So open or close circle at negative 9. Page 36. Open circle at negative 9. So make an open circle. And then which way am I going to shade? Where are the numbers greater than negative 9? On the right. So we shade that way. We're not going to worry about interval notation. We don't do interval notation in this class. We'll get to that in algebra 2. Okay, so far so good, right? Alright, number 2. We have x, what? Minus 3x minus 6 is greater than 4. So I combine my terms and get 2x minus 6 is greater than 4. Then add 6. Negative 2x is greater than 10. All right, now we have a super special rule that you might want to write at the top of the page. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip the inequality symbol. So right here, what do I have to do to solve this? Divide by negative 2. So I divided by a negative, so I have to flip this sign. So x is less than negative 5. So open or closed at negative 5? Open at negative 5. Make sure you're labeling what your number is on that number line. And we're shading to the left. Okay, so let's try number 7. You guys start it. I'll continue to work on it. See if we get the same steps. No, we're on number 3. Did I say 7? I'm sorry. Number 3, you guys are doing. Take a look at this step right here. Make sure that's a pretty common mistake with that sign right there. My last step, did I divide by a negative? No, I got a negative answer, but that doesn't matter. Okay, I divided by a positive number, so I don't flip my sign. I leave my sign the same. Okay, so open or close. This one's going to be closed, and we're going to shade it to the left. Okay, take a look at those steps. If you got it wrong, it's super important to take a look at where and what step did you get screwed up in. Okay, do number 4. I'm not going to make you do all 10 of these, but do number 4. I got x is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, don't forget to flip your sign, because we divided by a negative 9. Who's confused? What'd you get? Well, here, look, you're one negative divided by a negative. Okay, so that's going to give you a positive. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, we're going to jump down to numbers 8 and 9. And I'll let you work after these two. Okay, so number 8, we've got to distribute. So negative 3x, what? Minus 6 minus 3x is less than 2x plus 18. So negative 6x minus 6 is less than 2x plus 18. We can subtract our 2x over there. Negative 8x minus 6 is less than 18. Then I have to do what? Add 6. So negative 8x is less than 24. So what am I dividing by? Dividing by a negative 8. So I have x is greater than negative 3. So open or close at negative 3? Open at negative 3, shaded. To the right. Do that. Okay, and then one more to make sure that we're doing it right. Do number 8 or do number 9. I know there's not a whole lot of room there. If you need to rewrite it on the blank page beside it, you can go ahead. Check your first step, make sure you've got your signs the same as mine. How's it look? Did I do it right? Sometimes I don't do it right. So don't always, when you're checking your work, don't always just copy mine. Make sure you're going to go back and check it, because mine could definitely be wrong.